Hey everybody, this is Mark with @Tech, and in this video we have got right here the Apple Watch Series 4. This was incredibly hard to get my hands on, probably the hardest since the original one came out 4.5 years ago. Mine that I bought in the middle of the night is not actually coming until next week. So I was really lucky enough to get this. As you can tell, we are not in the office. I'm actually on the road, and I just happen to be in a place that the Apple Watch, this one, was available in a local store. So you'll find out why we're somewhere different in a little bit, in a couple weeks. But anyway, I was actually able to get it. So I'm just so excited to check this out. I always get the stainless steel except for the very first year. So right here I picked up the stainless steel 44 millimeters in silver and the white band. So let's go ahead and check this out. So the box is actually kind of different. Usually with the stainless steel there's like a square box, and then the aluminum or the sport one is in this. But I don't know, it's interesting. Let's go ahead and open this up. Very interesting how they did this plastic. It's kind of cool though. And on the back right here we got these little tabs, which is kind of weird how they did that, because this isn't actually a box. You have to pull this tab out like that. Very interesting. I have not seen an Apple Watch Series 4 video because I want to really give you my impressions. I have no clue what's in here, what this looks like. Wow, this is very cool. Look at that. Holy smokes. That is pretty awesome. Look at that. Wow, that's kind of cool. And it looks like they opted for just the easy man's way of packaging this, apparently. We just got our band right here. Just throw in whatever band. And then we have no band in here, apparently. I have no clue. This is really weird. But you can see we got a pretty cool little picture of the watch right there. Let's open this up and see what we got inside. Nothing right there. I was right, we have our watch right here. This is a crazy unboxing experience. It's actually kind of cool. Let's see what else. Got designed by Apple in California. Just how to get the watch all set up. Not too much going on there. We got our power bricks, same USB type A. No quick charging. We got our charging puck, which is a shorter cable. They started giving you a shorter cable a couple of years ago. And then right here we have our watch. That is kind of crazy. Very interesting. You see that's 44 millimeters right there on the back. This is the weirdest unboxing experience ever with an Apple Watch. Wow. Okay, so you just slide this up and out just like that. And we got our watch right there. And that is kind of it. That's all that's in the box. So now you're supposed to go ahead and build it yourself. We'll take our sport band, and this is just kind of like as if you would have bought a normal one from the Apple store. So I guess if you don't want it, you can sell it. So we'll take this piece right here, and we have to actually build our own watch. Paid $750 for this, and I have to build it myself. This is very expensive. It starts off at like $400 or so, but if you want the fancy stainless steel, or if you want cellular, it's very, very expensive. Because I got the biggest one there is 44, and then I got the stainless steel, and then it comes with cellular on the stainless steel. So there we go. We're booting up the screen is upside down, but I'll fix that later. The back is actually very interesting. It's now ceramic on the back, which was kind of how it was before on the stainless steel and the editions, but now it is a little bit different. We do have an outer ring, which is going to be your heart rate monitor for the ECG, and then we also have our new digital crown, which is going to give you haptic feedback when you scroll it, which is pretty interesting. And then the red ring telling you that it's cellular is now only around the outside edges, but you touch it and that will then complete the circuit to measure your ECG. I don't believe that feature is quite out just yet, but it will be coming soon once it gets FDA approval. The screen is very much bigger. It went from 38 to 40 and then 42 to 44. So you're going to get about 2 more millimeters out of this, or 30%, so they say. And one of the biggest things I love about this is it's much thinner. I feel like it was just always a little too big and too thick for me. And this one's really nice and thin, and I love that about it. Overall, it works with the same bands, has the same operating system as all the other ones. It just has a couple of new features, a couple of new watch faces to utilize the much bigger screen, which is also really nice. And it's 2018 year of no bezels, so again, our screen pretty much goes edge to edge. There's just a lot of minor tweaks to it. This thing looks like a piece of jewelry. It is so beautiful on the back. It is just super awesome. And I am a really big fan of this so far. If there's anything specific you want to see about the watch, definitely let me know in the comments section. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark with AtTech, and I'll see you in the next one.